Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the Receipts tab on the Account Details screen. Receipting is used to allocate payments made by patients or medical aid in order to keep a good record of any money that is exchanged in the practice. First, let us go over how to navigate to the Receipts tab on the Account Details screen. From the Diary screen, click on the desired patient's booking. The Diary sidebar will open. Click on the Account Details button to open the Account Details screen. Click on the Receipts tab to open a list of all previously done receipts for the selected patient. Now, let us go over the various columns available on the Open Receipts screen. The Receipt column will show the unique identifying number of the receipt allocated by the system. The Cash Ledger column will display the type of cash ledger that was used in the transaction. A cash ledger is a financial record that contains all the transactions for a specific type of receipt and payment. The date on which the receipt was done will be displayed under the Transaction Date column. The Payment Type column will display the chosen method of payment used. The Apply Amount To column will show to whom the initial payment was made. Any additional notes regarding the receipt or payment made will be displayed in the Comment column. The Reference Number column is used if a payment has been given a specific number in order to reference the user back to the receipt. The Amount column contains the total paid towards the patient's outstanding balance. The Actions column contains additional functions available to the user, displayed for ease of use. To undo the receipt made because of various reasons such as a debtor's payment not clearing, click on the Reverse Receipt button. For more information on how to reverse a receipt, please refer to the Receipt Written Back user manual linked in this video's description. If the user would like to email a PDF version of the receipt, click on the Email Receipt button. Click on the Redo Receipt button if the user would like to correct the receipt in the case of any errors made, such as incorrect amounts. For more information on how to redo a receipt, please refer to the Receipt Redo user manual linked in this video's description. In order to download a PDF version of the receipt, click on the Download button. If the user would like to view additional information regarding the invoice used for the receipt, double-click on the desired receipt to open the Receipt Lines tab. Now we will go over the additional information found within the Receipt Lines tab. The Capture Date field will display the date and time on which the receipt was posted. The Fin Period column will display the financial period wherein the receipt was posted. The name of the user who posted the receipt will be displayed under the Posted By field. The invoice number, which is automatically assigned to each posted invoice as a form of unique identification, will display under the Invoice column. The date on which the invoice was posted will be displayed underneath the Invoice Date column. A brief description of the cash ledger will be displayed under the Description column. A record of the type of transaction that occurred will display under the Transaction Type column. The amount of money paid by the patient towards the outstanding amount of the specified invoice will be displayed under the Patient column. Any amount paid towards the patient's account from the medical aid on the specified invoice will be displayed under the Medical Aid column. If the user would like to exit the Account Details screen and return back to the Diary screen, click on the Close button.